Would you believe me if I told you there's a chicken in Korea that sells one piece every second? It's the Gochu-Basasak chicken from a brand called Gubni Chicken. It's a brand loved by countless Korean YouTubers. From now on, I'm going to make this best-selling chicken in Korea at home in just 30 minutes. This chicken made with thigh meat isn't deep fried, so it's really easy to make and it's also delicious. Moreover, if you dip it in this sauce, you'll experience a completely blissful flavor. First, cut 600 grams of chicken thigh meat. Don't cut them too small, but into bite-sized pieces that will fill your mouth. Take 2 green chili peppers, remove the seeds and dice them into small pieces. Now, to the chicken thighs, add 4 grams of salt, 20 grams of chili powder, or use cayenne pepper if you don't have any. Add 20 grams of taco seasoning, the diced chili peppers, and also 15 grams of minced garlic. Also add some parsley flakes and pepper. Now add 3 spoons of flour and 1 spoon of cornstarch and then mix it all together well. If you add a little bit of oil, the seasoning will stick much better and it will get even crispier. Let it marinate like this for 10 minutes. Just as popular as the chicken itself is this sauce. Add 40 grams of mayonnaise, 15 grams of Sriracha sauce and 4 grams of sugar. Mix well and that's it. Really easy, right? But since this is the best-selling chicken sauce in Korea, the taste is absolutely the best. Okay, now in a plastic bag, add 120 grams of coarse Panko breadcrumbs and then add the marinated chicken. Then give it a good shake and the coating is all done. Now place the well-seasoned chicken on a tray and spray it generously with oil. Cook it in an air fryer or oven at 190 degrees for 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes, take it out, flip it over and spray it with oil again. Then cook it for another 10 minutes. And then you'll have this incredibly beautiful chicken. This chicken is savory and has a great umami flavor, but since it's not deep fried, it's much healthier. The chicken is delicious enough on its own, but wow! If you dip it generously in this sauce and take a bite, with its rich and savory umami and the slightly spicy yet sweet flavor of the sauce, you'll be so amazed you'll want to eat it every day.